Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet daisy flowers. I got two colors here. See, on top here I did the yellow for the white, for the yellow I maintained with the yellows. So with these two colors, it looks so pretty. See, bunch of flowers. Okay, see this one. We use green for the sepal here. See, it's nice. Okay, I did two colors. Now I'm going to show you with yellow. Okay, let's start. I'm going to start with start with 5 single crochet in magic ring. Okay, pull it tight and slip stitch with the first stitch. Okay. Now we are going to make one chain. I'm going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we have 10 stitches. Okay, 10 stitches. Then we are going to make 6 chain. Okay, now we are going to we pull through all this chain. Okay, yarn over. We are not going to complete it, so we are going to yarn over, pull through. We are going to maintain. You see, now we got 3 loop here. First 2 loop, then 3 loop, then we are going to make again yarn over, then again, then again, then the last one in the same stitch where we started the chain. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 loop here. So now we are going to pull through 2 loops. Okay, then again pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops. Then we have balanced 3 loops here. We are going to pull through 3 loops. Okay, now this the starting 2 loops here, we are going to skip it. Then we are going to insert the hook here and yarn over and pull through here, make 1 single crochet. See, then the next one, yarn over, single crochet, then 3, then we have 4 times. Then we are going to make 1 over here, 5. Then we are going to make 1 slip stitch in the same stitch where we started the chain. Okay, now you see like this. Again we are going to slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to make 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we are going to pull through, yarn over on the hook here, pull through here, then second, third, 4 5, then 6 in the same place where we started the chain. Now we are going to pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops, again pull through 3 times, then 4 times, then 5 we are going to pull through all 3 loops. Okay, now we are going to leave these 2. Again we are going to insert the hook here in the side here. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet. 1 2 3 4, then again 5 over here, then slip stitch in the same stitch where we started. Okay, see, we have 2 petals here. We will have 10 petals around this, because just now 10 stitches, so we are going to have 10 petals. So repeat this. Okay, we completed. See, now we have 10 petals here. Okay, adjust this to make it straight like that. Okay, then cut off the yarn. Okay, done. We completed this one. Now we are going to make this sepal here, this part. Okay, we are going to make 5 single crochet in magic ring. Then pull it tight. Then we are going to make slip stitch in the first stitch. Then we are going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 10 single crochet in this round. Okay, slip stitch with the first one. Okay, that's all for this one. We are going to put it this part. Okay, cut off the yarn. Okay, already done, completed. I cut off already. Now we are going to make this part. Okay, we are going to make this part. This one I'll show you. Okay, for this we need wires. We are going to fold this wire. This one 0.6 mm. You can, if you want to use the thicker one also can. I'm going to roll over the wire around 30 times. Okay, cut the yarn, then fold the wire into 2. So now you can pull it out. This is like we are doing the pom-pom like that. So now we are going to cut it and shape it to this. We are going to shape it like this. Actually, I don't like to do like this, like wasting the yarn. So now cut the yarn, make it the shape. You have no choice. where we can do like a popcorn stitch also, like 5 popcorn stitch for the middle one, the middle part, but you need to make it in the wire. Okay, shape it up. Okay, now after done, we are going to show it to the fire a bit, like burn the edges here, like that. Then try not to overburn this one. See? Okay, these two, show it the fire. Okay, that's all. I already shape it up, this one. Okay, like this. So now we are going to do, squeeze a bit the wire. This wire is a green color, already wrapped by green color this one wrapping, so no need to do anything else. I just squeeze like this. Okay, so now we are going to insert here. I'm going to put some glue. Okay, then pull it. Okay, okay, like this. See? Okay, now the bottom part, the supper. Okay, put inside. Pull through. Put some glue here. Then push it up. Okay, that's all. I'm going to shape it up a bit. I think this is too long. So you still can shape it up after fixing. Okay, that's all. See? Pretty, isn't it? That's all. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you.